The South African Medical Association has welcomed the appointment of Dr Joe Phaahla as a new Minister of Health, as well as the Deputy Minister of Health, Dr Sibongiseni Dhlomo, following President Cyril Ramaphosa's cabinet reshuffle on Thursday. Dr Phaahla replaces Dr Zweli Mkhize, who resigned after being on special leave following allegations that his department irregularly awarded COVID-19 related contracts to a communications company controlled by his former associates. Now, let's discuss this further. We're joined via Zoom by Dr. Angelique, South African Medical Association Chairperson. Dr. Coetzee, thank you so much for chatting with us. Always a pleasure to have you on the show.
Thank you so much for asking Salma's opinion.
Dr. Coetzee, perhaps let's start here. Now, there's no doubt that having a permanent head to manage this portfolio, especially during a pandemic, is crucial. You seem to have a lot of confidence on the appointment of Dr. Phaahla. Tell us why.
Dr. Phaahla has been part of the National Department of Health now for many years. He understands what is happening on an NHI level. He understands what's happening in the COVID vaccine pandemic. He was always the silent person behind everyone, but doing his own thing a few times now. Also, remember, Dr. Phaahla is a medical doctor as in public institutions in several provinces. It comes with a wealth of knowledge from the public sector, seeing and what is happening on that level. And I think, having insight and a medical doctor again himself brings a lot of power and advantages to him being the current Minister of Health.
Dr. Coetzee, we seem to be losing your line, but let me continue and ask you the second question. What are your views then of the Deputy Minister of Health's appointment, Mr. Sibongiseni Dhlomo? Many are accusing him of collapsing the health department in KZN, particularly as it relates to the oncology department.
Yeah, the oncology department is a difficult one in KwaZulu-Natal. We know that Dr. Dhlomo is also coming with a lot of experience. Remember, he was the chair of the Portfolio Committee on Health, and also, again, a medical doctor. I think we need to give him a chance and see what's going to happen. Salma, in the past, also worked with him, and we always find him very understanding. And let's see what happens going forward. I think a team with him, between him and Dr. Phaahla, we would be able to at least sit around the table. We had also good relationships with Dr.
All right, we seem to be having a very terrible line, unfortunately, there with Dr. Angelique Coetzee. She, of course, is the chairperson of the South African Medical Association. That association welcoming the appointment of Dr. Sibongiseni Dhlomo. He's the Deputy Minister, and Minister Dr. Joe Phaahla.